Hey, it's Tom from Tom's Toons. This is a quick video on how to replace your steering cable on a system that's like this, a Rotary Quick Connect Helm. This steering system is very common on pontoon boats. It is a rotary, and this happens to be a quick connect, so I have a quick release here. Yours may look a little bit different, and some of the differences would be this tube may look a little bit different coming off here, or you may have bolts that are actually holding in kind of in place here. You may have to remove 2 bolts to get your cable out, but it's going to take the same type of cable, and the process is pretty much the same. On this Helm, all I need to do is pull a pin. Hopefully you still have this. You may even have 2 of them, depending on yours. You may have one on the top as well if it looks a little different than this. This pin is actually going to help because I need to use it to push in this little detent right here in that hole. There's a spring-loaded detent, and that's part of the quick connect component of this steering. So if I push that in, that's going to allow me to pull on the cable and remove it. What I did is I used my pin and I pushed in that detent. You'll feel it squeeze in with the spring loaded, and I turned the steering wheel to the right, so clockwise, and that popped this barb out. So the detent in here was clipped into this barb, and if yours is the bolt-in style, you usually would have a bolt on each side of the barb, just a 1/4-inch bolt that holds this in place so that your mechanism can actually turn. So now I continue turning the wheel to the right, and that's going to push the cable itself out. So the way this mechanism works is the rotary Helm pushes and pulls on this coiled cable inside of the sheathing, and that's what pushes and pulls on the motor side. I've got my new cable here. I've removed the sheathing from that little plastic guard, and what I'm going to do is insert the new cable into the spigot, and then I'm going to turn the wheel counterclockwise, and that is going to pull the cable in. I'm going to turn it all the way until that barb is just about to enter here. As that barb gets close, I'm just going to help direct it into the spigot. Make sure I've got a nice big soft bend coming in, and then the barb is going to go into the spigot. I'm going to keep turning left until I hear that click. Now I can turn all the way right to test, and then that's all the way right. It's not pushing back out. That means that detent is locked in. And one thing left to do is simply clip that back in. Remember, if you unhooked it from your motor side too, grease that new cable when you slide it into the steering tube. That's pretty straightforward. This is what catches people, I think. Not too bad. Pretty simple system. Hope this video helped.